Hello everybody, welcome to another video with Complete Digital Toolbox. This channel is dedicated to helping people with different ways to find clients and also different products and services you can offer to them. Today we're looking at a product that can be offered, and it's called a lead magnet short funnel. This is something you can set up for people quite easily. And what it does is it just offers a free gift in exchange for an email address. So let's take a look here. So the short funnel is just a 2-page website funnel that gives someone a free gift in exchange for their email address and permission to communicate further with them via email. So you can see here there's just two pages. Here's the landing page right here. If they click the button, they'll go to the download page for their free gift, and that's essentially makes up the short funnel. And what that means is a new subscriber for the business or the customer. So here's that first landing page. This is an affiliate marketing site that I have for Builderall platform, and this is a lead magnet, just a simple page with a button on it to get people to take an action, get their free gift, and give their email address. Once they click that button, the thank you page will appear, and this is where they enter their name and their email address to get their free ebook. So they just simply enter their information and click that button, and it takes them to a free PDF, or that can be structured different ways. You can send that to them in an email or however you want to do that. And that is essentially it. It's just 2 pages, the landing page, a thank you page which gives them the free gift and collects their email address, and that's all. You can offer this to clients in a variety of different ways. So that's about all there is to that. So before I end this video, I'm just going to touch on what Complete Digital Toolbox is. It's a resource guide for affiliate marketing, client acquisition, different products and services you can use to earn anywhere using the internet. And one of the resources that I share in here, I just mentioned, is the Builderall platform, which for one low monthly fee is going to give you the ability to build comprehensive websites, unlimited for any niche, lots of done-for-you templates that you just edit and publish, sales funnels, hosting is all included with these. You can do e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon. We've got chatbots and webinars and social media integrations, lead generation, essentially all the other tools you'll want or need. So this is kind of my mainstay resource, and I do have others specializing in some of these areas, but this is my my go-to platform for internet marketing. Okay, so that's it for this video. Lead magnet short funnels, where you just give something to get something with a simple 2-page website. And this is Jed Vaughn signing off with Complete Digital Toolbox. Please do subscribe if you're finding any value in these videos. And you can find links below for the Complete Digital Toolbox website, where I promote the Builderall platform. And I hope to see you in the next video, and have a great day.